Hi and welcome to Wafter.com. If you are a Windows user and you are connecting to your computer with a very limited data plan, you want to disable your Windows update. So that's what you need. So to do this, I have given two different methods which was mostly given on the internet. So you can try them both to disable your Windows update completely. But I would also recommend you to check the Windows update on a monthly basis at least. So there might be chances for malware or virus which might be affecting your Windows through internet. So it's always better to check for the risky updates. So let's get into the methods now. So if you haven't subscribed Wafter.com, please do that for more good videos. And the method one is setting your internet connection to Meteor. When you set a Wi-Fi or LAN connection to Meteor, it won't download any updates from Windows or any other software. So clicking on network and choose properties from your Wi-Fi or LAN connection. And once you do that, you will get a screen like this for your Wi-Fi or LAN setting. Now scroll all the way down till you see the Meteor connection option. So once you see this, enable this button. So enabling this will enable the Meteor connection for this particular Wi-Fi network. But if you are connecting to any other Wi-Fi network again or any other LAN connection again, your Windows update will be downloading for sure. So you have to turn this option on again for the different Wi-Fi networks or different LAN cable. Don't forget to do that. Also don't forget to check monthly or at least weekly updates for Windows to prevent your computer from getting attacked from malwares or viruses, as I said first. So method 2 is to disable Windows update through the services from the Windows option. So press Win key R and go to run and type services.msc. So when you do this, you will get a list of services running on Windows. So these are the list of services. You can see a lot of them running right now. Go ahead and scroll down to find Windows update. So here you go, Windows update. So you can see it is running on the third column, and from the description you can see this enables the detection, download and installation of Windows update. So this is the thing. So you just have to confirm this again and right click here and stop this service. This will prevent your Windows from detecting the latest updates. So now right click and go to properties, and from the status type choose disabled, and now you can click apply and click OK. So now this won't check for any new Windows updates, so that's why it won't download any Windows updates from now. So again, please do at least a weekly check on the Windows updates for your own privacy and purposes. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Wafter.com.